Hello. In this short video, I'm going to discuss what are all. I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should not read fiction. Okay, which has no contemporary value. Okay, first point is fiction uses Hegelian dialectic and Freudian reductionism. Okay, both of these are nothing but uh, a managerial model kind of thinking. Okay, that is, you go to a manager and other person goes to a manager, both give ideas. One is giving X idea, another giving X bar idea, or uh, contrary to that idea what you're giving. So he will pick, manager will pick the best out of both these ideas and implement and get the credit and go. Okay, that is what is Hegelian dialectic. And Freudian reductionism, we know. Freud was a fiction writer. Okay, he had he had his right and wrongs, but he was not he did not think that the brain connections have any bearing on the psyche of a person. Okay, he was just giving theories. Okay, so if you write a fiction based on following the theories of Freud or adapting some theories of Freud, both of this are going to be incomplete. Okay, first point I said is fiction reading has a problem because it uses Hegelian dialectic and Freudian reductionism. Second is there is a personal bias for the writer. He or she grown up, say for example, he means he would have faced some problems because of his masculinity or humiliation or something like that. She means she would have faced some repression, and all these things will have a direct impact on the writing. Third, if you read these kind of fiction and assume that these kind of things have happened to you or registered in unconscious and comes over, then there is a problem. And even in the third point, say if you read lot of fiction and okay, you get demented, or you get in old age you get demented, and you think that some of these things have happened in your life, there is a serious problem because of this reading so lot of fiction. Okay, and even in the third point, reading so much of fiction, uh, thinking about others life or reading about others life has an anxiety on you. Okay, you miss the real fun which is happening here. You might get an idea, but you'll start to be judgmental. Okay, judgmental throughout. Okay, even my 5 points are judgmental, but still this judgmental in a way that it might help you. Okay, you cannot be judgmental because somebody might steal, because he is from uh, he is react hyperactive, so he might steal, or he is concealing some truth, something like that. You will start imagining and it will really hinder your personal relationship. Fourth, it is waste of time and waste of money. Writer is writing because he can sell his stuff. Okay, writer might show, he or she might show that they are magnanimous, so they will set up a group or something like that. But ultimately it is their business model. Okay, writing is a business model. Okay, if you get money you can write, but writing fiction, I feel it is really cheap, because there is such waste of time unless and until you are a intelligence agency person who wants to write some hidden messages through books. Then you can write. uh, that's not a problem. Or if you are really whacked out and you don't have anything else to do, and you think that you're doing something good for the society, you can write. Okay, you can assume that you're doing something good for the society, but it will not be the truth. Okay, so fourth point is waste of time and energy. Fifth point, we are in the era of videos. Okay, whatever you want to explain, say for example me explaining you fiction is, reading fiction has 5 pitfalls. It can be done in 5 minutes. If you start writing, you have to write 5 to 10 pages. Okay, unless and until you want to document it and send it to 20 people who are not in your viewing list, then you can do. But we have videos. Why you want to write fiction? Okay, instead you can dance and act and show, like Instagram, some mythology character you want to act, you can show. Okay, or you can explain what the writer is telling or something like that. For that, video is there, video logs are there. So writing fiction is really useless, and I consider it very cheap. Okay. That's it. I'm not discouraging you from reading books. You can read books. Sci-fi is good. Okay, sci-fi is imagination, that is good. Fiction using Hegelian and Freudian dialectic is, in this era, everybody knows what is constantly predicting what the other person is doing. So I don't think fiction has any bearing on that. As Yuval Harari book Homo sapiens, famous book Homo sapiens, explained that fiction helped us in the past in evolution, but I doubt fiction will help us in the future. Fiction is actually going to create a lot of conflicts and mental health issues than if you want to improve your vocabulary in certain language, you can definitely read fiction. But apart from that, I don't think it has a value. Vocabulary you can improve by writing, or or listening, or anything else. Reading is not the only way you have to do it. That's it.